Good morning guys. So ayan. Welcome to our vlog and time check is
10:16 in the morning.
backpackers lang tayo ngayon.
And we are accompanied by these two curies from Armenia. Today is Saturday, May 11, 2024. It's already 18 minutes past 10 a.m. and we are already leaving. We will be traveling to Dammam. Doon kami sasakay. Our flight is from Dammam to Fiumicino. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but it's in Fiumicino, Leonardo Airport, something like that. It is in Rome, and we'll be staying there for a week. And let's see how things goes. So, our airfare is very low, kaya naman afford namin na makarating ng Italy. And
Kaya nyo yan.
kumain ng gelato. That's why I'm so excited. Kasi gusto ko talagang kumain ng gelato.
So see you later, alligator.
Alright. So, it is 10:33 in the morning. And tapos na kami dito sa Asama Tower Parking, which is our home for the past 2 years. At yan po ang aking asawa. Habang nagdadrive siya, iniisip niya pa yung pagbibideo ko. And may the Lord protect us on this another adventure. We are going to Rome in Rome. Addition lang, ang weather dito sa Bahrain ay 30 degrees Celsius. Yan. Medyo mainit. Ngayon, pagdating namin ng Rome, it will be a little bit colder than here. And we're so excited. Whew!
We're so excited.
And we just can't hide it. So, ayan pa. Gasolina muna tayo.
Jayid, full.
2.9 BD yung pa-full tank namin. Pero meron pa kasi itong kalahati. We are going to purchase an insurance muna. I think for 7 days it will be 10 BD or around 1,500 pesos. So, ayun na. King Fahd Causeway. Yay!
Hello. John Marie.
Ayun, so 10 BD nga po ang car insurance registration for 7 days. At least covered si Yashi while he is at the parking sa Dammam International Airport. So ngayon, kami na ay papasok ng Causeway. Yes. So we are going to pay a toll fee of 2.5 BD. Third stop is the customs. Second stop, ito naman may passport. My car checking. Car checking. Alright, Saudi, here we come.
We're done.
Bilis lang.
And we're clear.
So, ayun po, nakakain na po kami ng lunch and nakapag-nap kami ng konti sa parking lot. Nakapag-nap kami ng mga around 20 to 30 minutes. Ang dami kasi namin nakain, grabe, as in sobrang daming kanin, 2 putahe ng ulam, tapos nag-peach mango pie pa kami, tsaka sundae from Jollibee. Kaya yun, nanto kami. And now, papunta na kami sa airport and we are 39 minutes away. It's already 1:35 in the afternoon. We still have a lot of time we have ample time para ma-figure out kung saan yung parking doon. At hindi kami masyado nagmamadali. Anyway, naka-online check-in na kami kahapon, kagabi. Kasi kapag hindi ka nag-online check-in at nag-check-in ka sa Wizz sa airport na, they will charge you. So, yun yung medyo catch ng Wizz. Ang dami nilang puro charge. Extra charge. Ngayon, pag nag-login ka, nag-online check-in ka, you need to pay for your seats kung gusto mo na mag-request. Pero, if you don't wanna pay, if you don't wanna spend more money, then bibigyan ka na lang ng random seats. So, mamaya makikita nyo, hindi kami magkatabi ni Walter. But that's fine. I will let my husband miss me. So, ayan po ang daan papunta ng Dammam. We are already on Darhan Jubail Expressway. And on your right side is the Grand Hyatt Al Khobar. Yan, it's kind of hot right now. Summer na talaga. Kaya ang init-init. Okay guys, time check tayo. It's already 1:58 in the afternoon and we are 16 minutes away from the airport. So this is how Saudi looks like. So ayan. Dito na po kami sa long-term parking. 24 Saudi Riyal per day.
Got it.
Dito tayo sa may covered parking.
Dito na tayo sa parking. Bayashi.
Pupunta na kami ng shuttle at ayun ang airport. Alright, ito na yung shuttle bus for long-term parking.
So ayan guys, dito na kami sa shuttle papuntang airport. Medyo hiningal ako, ang init sa labas, grabe. Hi guys, meet our new travel buddies of the day. It's Bibi and Mimi. Actually, they are from Armenia.
Pasok na kami.
And we're in guys.
So, ayan po, boarded na po kami. And because we did not pay extra for assigned seating, binigyan kami ng random seating. Kaya po magkahiwalay kami ngayon. Si Walter ay 22C, ako naman ay 23D. Pero bakante naman yung mga seats na katabi namin. Okay lang din naman, para naman mamiss ako nitong asawa ko. Boy. So it's already 10:25 in the evening and the pilot has announced that we have exited Saudi airspace. So pwede na daw sila magbenta ng alak. Okay, yun lang. We just landed in Rome, Italy. It's 1:10 a.m. and the weather is 16 degrees Celsius. Dito tayo sa may likod ng Wizz. Vlogger yarn.
Vlogger yarn.
Thank you, Wiz.
Welcome to Rome. Time check.
1:21 a.m.
Yes.
and it is 16 degrees Celsius here in Rome. Galing ng Wiz. They are not delayed. City Passaporti. Main Street. Landed our 14th country together.